Hello and welcome to my first attempt at a tutorial. There is no documentation nor any existing tutorial videos that I can find on how to set up a dedicated server for AlphaNetZ, so today I'll be showing you how to do that and how to use your own server from AMP by Cube Coders. First thing you'll need to do, though I won't show it in this video, is install node.js onto your system, then do as you see me do on my screen. The process is fairly simple and very straightforward. Just download the serverinet_115 zip file from the link in the document provided in the full version of NetZ after you've purchased it. Then copy the server subfolder and paste it into your project folder in the main directory and edit the settings file and open up the start.bat file. That's pretty much it. You don't even need your own server and can just use a port and localhost. However, let's be real, most often you want to use your own servers. If you visit the Cube Coders website, you can purchase a professional license for AMP for $20. Technically the game servers you can make with these are for actual games such as Skyrim or Conan, but they work for NetZ too. Once you set all that up, just set up your ports and copy the IP and add it to the plugin perms along with the port. Please note that the port used in the settings file has to match your server's port. That's essentially everything. Just launch your game and you should be able to connect. Hope this video was helpful.